Hello student, lesson 3, the trick that did not work. This is third lesson of English reader. In this video, I will explain this lesson. This is a first video of the two part. In this video, I will read and explain this lesson. We shall read this lesson line by line and I will explain you. And in second video we shall complete lesson 3, this lesson, the trick that did not work. The trick that did not work. A pair of jackals become ministers to the king of the jungle and use Tricky to keep him under their control. But they do not realize the power of friendship. This classic tale from the Panchatantra shows why trying to fool others can be a very foolish thing. This is a story of Panchatantra. This is a classic story. There is a pair of jackals who were the minister of king. The king of jungle is the lion. The lion is the king of the jungle, and in this story they make fool to the king of jungle. But at last what happened? They were trying to fool others, can be a very foolish thing for themselves. Let's start. Deep inside a dark jungle there lived a lion. He was a big, handsome lion with a golden mane and fiery eyes. His name was Jung, and he was the king of the jungle. Like all the kings, he too had ministers to whom he listened when he was in a good mood. What happened? In the jungle, in the deep inside the jungle, there lived a lion. Like all the jungle, there is lion, as so is in this deep jungle, there is one lion. He was a big, handsome lion. This is a handsome lion, big lion with a golden mane, golden hair, and fiery eyes, and eyes were golden color. His name was Jung. He was the king of jungle. Like all the kings, he too had ministers. Like all the kings, he also have some helpers. He too had ministers to whom he listened. He used to listen those ministers when he was in good mood. Jung's ministers were two jackals, and he has got two jackals. Name of the two jackals were Chalu and Golu. The jackals, especially Chalu, were very cunning. He was very smart and always is thinking about himself. They kept the king happy by telling him only what he liked to hear. They used to tell the king whatever the kings like, and they always said the same thing. And they agreed with everything he said and always ready to accept his command. They sang his praises and told him that he was the bravest and the strongest king on earth. And they always used to say that his king is the strongest in the world and one of the bravest they ever watched. Naturally, the king believed that his ministers were faithful and loyal. It is very obvious the king was happy with them because he thought the ministers were faithful and always trustworthy. He thought he was lucky to have such wise ministers, and he was very happy to thinking about his ministers. So he looked after them, fed them, and took them along wherever he went. He used to go anywhere, he always accompanied with those ministers. The jackals hardly did any work. Those two ministers, jackals, they never did any work. They did not have to fight their enemies to protect themselves. They are always protected because the king of jungle with them, nor did they have to hunt for food like other animals, and they are happy because the food, they are not struggling for getting food. They grew fat on whatever Jung killed. They used to eat the food which the king Jung left. They used to eat those remaining food. Soon they became very arrogant because they are happy, they are in company of the king, so they are arrogant, they are not listening others, and did not allow any other animal to come near the lion, and they are not allowing other people to talk to the king or become friendly with him. They never allow other animals to be in company of the king. One day, what happened? Jung was at the river for a drink. One day, what happened? The king went to the river to drink water when he heard an animal bellow, where he heard some sound. There is a bellow sound, the loud sound made by animal. It was so loud that the whole jungle echoed. Whole jungle, there is a sound was echoing with the sound, and the starlet, the king, with because of that sound, the lion was frightened. Starlet means the lion was frightened and surprised. He had never heard anything like it before because he never heard this type of sound before in his life in his jungle. In fact, he had really heard the call of other animals. He never heard the call of any other animal in high pitch, since they were all scared of him because every other animal, not speaking in front of him, and stayed as far away from him as possible because they are all other animals in the jungle, not near to him, and they are making distance with him. Frightened by the sound, and that sound was very high pitched, so the Jung was frightened by the sound. He went rushing back to his den. He went back to his den, his cave, pale with fear, and his color was out, and he was afraid. His ministers were surprised to see the king trembling, and both the ministers, both the jackals, Chalu and other name was Chalu and Golu. Both were very much surprised to see the king lion was trembling. He was not standing in proper way. He was trembling on his feet with fear and wanted to know what had happened, and they wanted to know what actually happened with the king. Next page 25. At at first, what happened? At first, Zung would not tell them anything. King was not saying anything. He was too ashamed to let them know that he, the king of jungle, was afraid of a sound because he was thinking that he is a king of jungle and he was afraid of some unknown sound. That's why he did not tell anything to his ministers, both the ministers, Chalu and Golu. But what happened? But the next day, the same thing happened again. The same sound comes out again in the jungle. Then the Jung called his ministers and told them that he had decided to leave the jungle and go away. So he decided to move and leave this jungle and go away from this jungle to some other safe place. What happened? Chalu and Golu were very disappointed to hear this. Both of them are disappointed, not happy with this decision. What would happen to them if the lion went away? They thought about himself, and they thought that what will happen? What would happen with them? They would have to work to find their food and would have to live in fear of the other animals. If they left this safe haven, they had to work and they had to save their life with other animals. No, they could not let the lion go to another jungle, so they decided themselves they not allow to the lion to go another place. They begged and pleaded. They requested and asked the Jung till he told them that he had been frightened by a trembling sound. So that they asked the Jung, let them confirm where this trembling sound was actually coming. It could only belong to a strong beast who feared no one else in the jungle. So that sound must be come out from some strong beast. Must be some strong beast in the jungle. No other animal else make such a sound. Hearing this, the two jackals smiled to themselves, for they knew that there could be no animal in the jungle stronger than the lion. They understood the sound was coming out from some beast, but they also knew that no other animal in the jungle was stronger than the lion. So they thought next page that Jung was very foolish. So they thought that the king was not intelligent. He is foolish. Just because the animal had made a loud noise, it did not mean that it was more powerful than the lion. So they knew that the sound making noise is not the sign of the strong animal or the powerful animal. But they did not say this to the lion. So they decided themselves they did not say the same thing to the lion. Instead, Chalu said that he would go and find out more about that animal. So the Chalu said to the king that they will go and they would confirm who is that animal who is making such a loud noise. What if the beast kills you? Asked Jung. Jung said, what happened if the beast animal who is there making such a loud noise, loud sound in the jungle, if that animal kills you? To this, Charu replied craftily with very foolish and clever way. With very cleverly he gives the answer. A faithful servant is not afraid of losing his life in the service of his master. He said, the faithful servant is always ready to give his life to in the service of his master. So the king was very pleased, and to listening these words, king was very happy with his reply. And Chalu with Golu in tow, what is meaning of tow? Following close behind, went off towards the river. Now, student, we end our video here. This is the first part. We understand. In the second video, we shall move to the next pages and then we cover this whole story. Until Go through this lesson once again and read it whole chapter. Thank you.